Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes presented by Mr. Ravi S. Kumbar, lecturer in Department of Studies, KLS Kukte College Commerce, Belgavi. In today's class, we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is service retail formats. So, dear students, service retail format, it is in a part of organized retail formats, because in the yesterday classes we studied and we are also studying retail formats. So, retail formats means what? Retail means what? Buying and selling of goods and services. Okay, this is exchanging of goods and services, that is known about what? Retailing aspects. And format means what? Classifications, means the exchanging of goods and services. So, we can done in many methods, in many way. It may be organized or it may be unorganized. So, when you focus about organized retailing formats, basically the organized retailing formats are classified 4 categories. The first one is what? Store based, and second one is non-store based, and third one is what? Service based, and fourth one is what? Ownership based. So, out of that we two already completed, that is the store based and non-store based, and today class we are going to discuss about that is service retail formats. So, let us start with the introduction of service retail means what. Dear students, service sector is nowadays is very fast moving, and the whatever the fast moving of service sector, this is enough and this is the best opportunity to expand business in these areas, because when service sector is moving very fastly, so this is one of the best and boost to improve the service retailing aspects. And service are not in a physical products, means whatever we are going to providing in the retail aspect, it is not in a physical aspects, in physical products like goods and all, but a service of retailing of each service product is designed and delivered as per the need and as per the request of the customers. For example, if you take the banking sector, as per the customer needs and wants and demands, we are giving banking loans, and again as per the customers the requirement, then we are going to giving the insurance policies. And for example, if you take the tourism, then the tourism is going the tour packages. So, these are the best example of services given by what? The concerned industries by using the service sector aspect. It means my point is what? Service retail or service sector business in the form of retail of service in the business, today is very fast moving trend, because the customers, as per the customers needs and customers requisites, customers demands, the every business they are moving with the customers movements. So, only the service sector is fast moving in today, so that is the best opportunity to implementing the retailing in service sector. And the best example, bank loan, insurance policies, tour packages, and again demat account, because today we are going to buy and sell the shares through the demat account. This is also one of the services given by the investors, that is investment. And if you go through the, because take it communications and technology, through mobile, through internet, and through different connectivity devices we are communicating. For example, Airtel, Vodafone and Docomo. And if you take it a BPOs and KPOs call centers, just I am telling introductory, if you take it a BPOs and KPOs and call centers, so these are the expert agency, they are going to solve the customers the doubts and problems and relating to the software handling, or they will be clarify that. And if you take it event management, today is the most important and the developed and fast moving activity, that is event management, because if you take it a micro family, they are not have time to celebrate the birthday and marriage and opening ceremony of house and etc etc. In such moment, these people will move to the what? That event management, and for that event management they will give each and everything, hall decoration and variety of dish preparation, tiffin, lunch. So, each and everything will be organized as per the customers and as per the customer budget. They will be prepared and they will be supplied. This is one of the event management. So, these all will be done, this all will be comes under the what? Service retail format. So, this is all about introduction of a retail aspect. So, let us start with the service retail format, because service also we can give in the form of retail in terms of in banking sectors. See, And today commercial banks, banking, insurance, tourism, finance and investment, communication, knowledge, BPOs and call centers and event management, these are the best examples of what a service retailing formats. So let us start with the first one, that is banking. Okay, so what bank is going to talk about? Dear students, and today commercial banks are opening a separate section that is called retail banking. Every section, every commercial banks, they are going to opening the department for what? Retail banking. So under retail banking, they are given the very best opportunities to the customers, like home loan, car loan and loan for consuming customer durable and designed to meet the needs of the individual customers, and they are marketed along with the deposits, insurance and investment services like offered by the banks. So these all the things is given by what? A bank. So bank is giving, bank is, all the commercial banks, they are going to preparing what? That is a separate department, that is a retail banking. Under the retail banking, they are giving all the facilities, home loan, car loan and the loan for the businesses and loan for the to purchase the consumer durable goods like refrigerator, furnitures and all. With that, along with banking, they are providing deposits and again insurance and again investment in different securities, and these all will be given by what? A bank. This is one of the best service retailing example. And also the banking sector, they are giving the products is designed to meet the need and requirement of each customer, because the customer, as per the generation of the customers, the customer requirement is different. So if customer requirement is different, as per the customer requirement, they have to be justified it. The best example, HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank are more popularizing the concept of a retail banking. This is all about what? The banking sector, because you all the commerce people more than me, you will be well known regarding this all the banking, the terminology, because you are going to sit in today home, you are going to doing the thousands of transactions through banking. For example, online banking, internet banking, then using UPI code, QR code and scan and pay. That these all the facilities given by banking. These are best example of what? Service retailing. Okay, we'll move to the next point, that is insurance. Dear students, कहने का मतलब ये है, insurance of business is also growing very rapidly nowadays, because in earlier an insurance policy was taken to cover the risk, that is the earlier days, but today and nowadays the insurance not only cover the risk of life and property also. It is not covering only life of the person, and it is covering life as well as the property of the whatever we insured. So it is also offer the opportunity for investment, health coverage and etc etc. The many more facilities given by insurance sector, and the variety of insurance policies are designed to match the taste and preference of the customers. So today the customers not only risk bearing, and they are going to investment, they want to grow their fund, and because of that only, if you go through LIC, you have get a bundle of the policies, different types of policies, investment policies, risk policies, and again growth policies, maturity policies. You have a different policies. This is best example of what? The service retailing in insurance sector. And the earlier business of insurance in India, that is only dominated by LIC. So if you take an example of a previous, in earlier days, we come to know that only LIC is the best dominated insurance company sector. But nowadays, the many private firms like Reliance and Bajaj and Tata, Birla banks, even today banks also, and MNC like Prudential, Allianz have entered into the Indian insurance market. And insurance policies is designed to offer a variety of options like savings investment, that is I told you, risk covering, health packing, etc. So these all are matched to the customer's requirement. So these all will be given by insurance service retailer. I think you clear regarding insurance, and we'll move to the next aspect, that is tourism. So what will happen under the tourism? And again, dear students, the tourism is a part and parcel of a service retailing format, because the tourism is developing as a separate area of business nowadays. Firms like Kesari, Nirmala Travels, Thomas and Cook, MSIL, and also the state tourism department and offering a domestic for foreign tour packages also. So because of that, the tourism is the fastest moving in nowadays. And such the whatever the tour package is given by the tourism industry, the include traveling plus hotel plus sightseeing and accommodation, all will be included under the water the tour packages. So when you get summer holiday, you get it a number of advertisement in newspaper and TVs, because summer holiday, so this is a 50,000 package for that what Simla, 40,000 for Kerala trip, including all facilities with family. So these all opportunities, these all facilities given by water, that is a tourism industry. And these all done, these all the what how they are going to reaching the customers. I already told you that newspaper and media agents are appointed to pursue the prospective customers. The packages products are sold by attracting people to go on tour. The packing tours offer convenience and every arrangement in the made of organizing firm only. The whatever the tour packages, tour organization and tour or arrangement will be done by the firms only. So these are the best example of what the tourism. Again, I would like to tell the tourism. The tourism will special packages in terms of holiday and honeymoon, summer, and such days they will be offered. Their offer is very fantastic and very nice. And we'll move to the next point, dear students, that is finance and investment. Dear students, the web-based trading of security in DMart from has made investment in a common security and mutual funds convenient for the people through mobile internet. One can monitor their portfolio and investment. Already I told you while introducing aspects, the finance and investment in today is also very fast moving in the underwater service retailing aspect, because and today every customer, those who want to investing under the different securities, they are investing through web-based purchasing of securities through DMAT account, and also they can invest under the mutual funds. They can invest gone through, they can mobiles, internet, and mobile and internet and through desktop only they can monitoring their portfolio and investment. This is the best example of finance and investment. And also the better investment opportunities of convenience of investment has created retail business opportunities in this area. The firms like Reliance, Birla, Tata designing finance products to match the investment and needs of the individual customers. And the whatever the investments products covers risk, provide adequate returns and safety of investment are designed to match the need and investment of the customers, because when the customers want to invest or investment their money, they need some expectations, and those expectations, those risk and those safety will be given by that service retailing aspects in nowadays. The people are motivated when we are giving safety and risk to the investment. The people are motivated, so when they were motivated, they can investment easily in the stocks and mutual funds and securities. And even in today also, the peoples are interested going to invest in gold and real estate. Aggressively marketing of efforts are made through the agents, advertisement, and peoples are convenienced to as to how the finance products are profitable. So these all will be given by information about that is the finance and investment. We'll move to the next, that is communication and knowledge. So dear student, communication and sharing of knowledge is a fast developing as a separate area of businesses. And also the growth in the information technology has created a better opportunities of business in the area. Example, mobile network, internet connectivity. So these are the best mode to sharing and of knowledge is in the fast and development of the separate business areas, because we are sitting in home, we are going to send a mail through the different our consultant and our parties or of our agent, and in through mobile only we are going to communicating and sharing the information. We have to fix the deal without meeting the physical person. We have to sit in office, we can exchanging the data and we can done a virtual interview, then we will be finally we got at a order of the different companies. If you take it a business, if you sit in a home and you are going to sharing your knowledge, you are going to presenting in information systematically, then you will be selected for the so and person for a so and so company. So this is the best example of communication and knowledge. And the firms like Airtel, Vodafone, Tata Docomo and along with BSNL are designing the package of communication services that offers messages at all time like internet, 2G and 3G and 4G and 5G. So these all are designed the services to meet and match the need of a specific customer according to the market. So these all will be the best service retailing formats under the water service retailing. We will move to the water BPOs and call centers. So what will be happen the service of BPOs and call centers? See dear student, BPOs and call centers are firms that provide a service in the area of knowledges. So basically this all will be talk about the providing the knowledges also. And their clients are not a common man but also established business houses. The business firms may not have there in the house, but even though their own accounting, legal, marketing, finance and operational centers, some of that process may be given out or outsourced to an outside expert agency. And the Indian is a popular designation for its business of BPOs. The firms like Wipro and Infosys, TCS and Satyam Computers, they are going to providing the services of developing necessary software, handling necessary operations of on behalf of a client. In simple word, I will tell you dear students, the BPOs and call center, how they are going to working under the water service retailing aspects. See, BPOs means what a business process outsourcing, call center means they are going to communicating with the customers. See, and these BPOs and call centers, their main intention is what giving the knowledge to the customers or to the clients. So what type of knowledge they can give that? They are going to solve their clients, their customers, the respective problems. If you take it the Wipro and Infosys and TCS, and with that help of call center and BPOs, they are going to solve the problems of customers to handling the software, how to handle the software and how to reinstalling the software and how to formatting the software relating to their company products. So it is all information we will be given by what BPOs and call centers. Because of that only, this all will be done only the service retailing aspects. Last but not least of this today's class, that is event management. So dear students, India is a land of traditions where family get together along with the friends, relatives and neighbors and colleagues frequently happen to mark occasions like birthday, marriages, house opening, and arrangement are made arranging of these all the traditional celebrations, they will hire the hall and it's decorate and wide variety of dishes for tiffin and lunch, and these all will be organizing all these things nowadays in a important aspects. Because in today the families are very micro family, but even though those micro family, they want to meet and together of family, friends and natives and neighbors. So whenever they want to meet and celebrating those things, they not have a time to organizing such things. In that moment, they are going to moving towards what event management. For example, birthday celebration, they are giving a tender to decoration and food and tiffin and lunch, and as per their needs and as per their budget, they will be allocated, and the event management people will be come and fulfill that. So these are the best the service retailing formats of under the organized. And if you have any doubts, you may ask the questions through comment on that. Otherwise, I understood you will be clear regarding these all service retailing formats. But my point is what, dear students, you have to clarify the concept. Concept means what? So first you should be know about it. Service retail means what? Until and understanding the service retail formats, we will not understanding these all the whatever the remaining points, because the concept clarification is the most important. Concept means the main theme. So what is main topic? The topic theme you should have to understand. like once you understanding the concept clarification, easily you can understanding the whatever the theme or whatever the point of the aspects. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class with the new aspects.